If you love Pai Tai, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, popular dish.
I don't like no whips and chains, and you can't tie me down, but you can whip your lovin' on me, baby. Whip your lovin' on me. I'm vanilla, baby. I'll choke you, but I ain't no killer, baby.
First, we put oil in the pan, swirl. Then we're going to add garlic, chopped onion, tomato, tofu, stir. Then we add chicken, Thai chilies, then noodles. Add crack in the egg, stirring. If it's too dry, you can add a little bit of water. Then we're going to add General Tso's sauce. The General Tso's sauce is sweet, tangy, and a little spicy, just right. Then fish sauce, onions, bean sprouts. Squeeze in some lime juice. Toss. Now it's ready. Let's plate. Then we're going to toss some chopped peanuts. Quick and simple. So let's have a try. I love this dish too. So refreshing. Absolutely delicious. And our Ying's General Tso sauce just have all the ingredients needed for this delicious dish. Sweet, tangy, and also a little bit spicy.